Hello once again mga ka-designs. Today is the part 2 of our isometric drawing tutorial. So but this time kukuha tayo sa Google. Okay. So hanap tayo dyan. Try the image and put it here. Okay. So although meron na siyang dating nagawa, takpan muna natin siya. Tignan natin mamaya kung magiging eksakto yung ating drawing. Okay, so first is we need to draw the isometric axis. So locate the center of the axis. Okay, let's draw first a vertical line. Okay, 30 degree. We are done with our isometric axis. Second, lay out the principal measurements. Going back dun sa ating kinuhang view sa Google, ang total area niya is 5 cm. Okay, it's 5. Front view 7, and the height is 5. Okay, makikita natin yung total height niya doon sa may right side view. Okay, based on these points, we can now create the isometry box. Okay, next step is draw the details. From the front view, so we have 2 in height. Okay, we have 4. As you can see, I get the 4 and the right side view 4, and then yung kanyang sungay ay 1 centimeter. Yeah. Let us try to draw first the front view. Okay, so from this point, project lang natin siya parallel to the base, to this part. The same lang sila. Gamit lang tayo ng light lines para mabilis mabura yung mga unnecessary lines na hindi natin kailangan later on. Line and point doon. The next yung point doon. Okay, and then yung point again dito. We have also 2 centimeters, so 2 centimeter. Okay, project lang natin yung point doon. Okay. To the line here, so 1, 2, and then project 4 centimeter. The line here projected to this point, so we have down there. Okay, we are now done with the details of the views from the orthographic projection. So in pictorial drawing, we are not allowed to use hidden lines. Yeah. Okay. Part. And then project. Yeah. And then the point. This. there. point. We will project it there. Okay. So as you can see in the top view, so we have this and this. Okay. So how about this part? So this part represent back portion. So we project it a while ago. First, this point. Okay, so look similar. Okay, parehas sila. So itong part na to nare-represent niya yung part nung nasa likod, pero hindi na natin to kailangan. So erase na natin yan. This is now the advantage of using light lines kasi very easy lang siyang burahin. Okay, so let us trace again the visible part. Project natin yung corner. Project lang natin siya. And then yung kabila niya. Okay. So kung makikita natin siya doon sa may right side view, butas din yung taas nun, yung ibabaw. So ibig sabihin wala to. So paano natin siya mabubuo? Yung point natin doon, saka yung point dito, ay gagawa natin ng vertical and diagonal time. So project na naman natin yung intersection. Makikita ninyo, projected siya doon, katapat din siya doon sa kamay kabila, pero ganyan lang siya. So all we need to do is to trace the visible edge of the object. Okay, so we are now done with our isometric drawing. So hopefully nasundan ninyo yung step by step na ginawa natin. So let us see kung pareha siya dun sa ating object kanina. Yun, nakuha natin. Hopefully nasundan ninyo yung step by step procedure na ginawa natin. So the first is draw the isometric axis, layout, then lay out the measurements, and then draw the box or crate, and then draw the details, then trace the visible edge. And yun na. For the part 3 of our isometric drawing tutorial, magbibigay ako ng sample orthographic projection. Ibibigay ko ang kasagutan sa susunod nating isometric drawing tutorial. Maraming salamat mga ka-designs, and see you on my next video.